Hey, welcome to my channel. This is actually my first YouTube video ever, so y'all bear with me. I am actually going to show y'all some awesome products that I use that have literally changed the way my face looks. People think that this makeup is a filter on my pictures, but it's absolutely not. It's incredible. I feel so pretty. Not only do they have great makeup products, but they also have great skincare. I personally have dry, sensitive skin. So what I use is Quench Cleanse, which is your daily cleanser, along with skin therapy. Both are for very dry, sensitive skin. Another great product I use is Due Date. I currently have been suffering from eczema along my eyelids and next to my face with this crazy weather that's been happening. And so all I do, and you don't have to use a lot, you literally just put a tiny dab, don't even pump it all the way, in your hand. And then what I do is just take my middle finger, rub it on, put it on my eyelids, around my face, on those dry spots. In 2 days, my eczema started going away after using this product. It's amazing. I am going to start by just putting on my regular foundation. I am a very fair skin. In the summertime, I do get a pretty tan. So what I'm going to use is Fair number 1 on my concealer. I'm going to use Olive number 2 as my foundation. And then for my blush, I'm going to go with Possible. I believe it's number 3. So, and this is another product. This is our setting powder. It's just your perfect translucent setting powder. So when you get done with your complete face, you just put this on real quick. I will also put everything that I'm putting on in the comments. So if you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a message. But here we go. I actually use cheaper brushes. LimeLife does offer great brushes. Mine are just from Target, but you can use these if you don't want to spend a lot of money on brushes right now. But I do highly recommend getting good brushes, because if you don't have good brushes, it's not going to go on as easily. What you want to do is just simply press it in there. And what you're going to do right here is just cover up your blemishes. Any red spots you may have, if you have rosacea, this is great cover up for it as well. And what you want to do with this is really push it into your skin so that it gets into your pores. This is also great for under your eyes to hide those bags. I have 2 littles. So, needless to say, they keep me up a lot at night. So, Mama's always got some bags under her eyes. Now, I'm just going to use a foundation brush and just put it into my powder. You can also use a blender full, which is great for pushing into your skin. Our blender fulls are very squishy, I guess is what you would say, but they are tough enough to where you're not messing your ball up. I always start out around my eyes, and I want to dab it in, because like I said, you want to push this into your pores so that you don't have those large pores under your makeup. Then we're going to go with a blush brush. Super simple. It's very soft. And you don't want to get a lot on there. You literally just dab it maybe a couple times and you get plenty on your brush. You're going to want to put this on your cheeks and go up towards your hairline. Always put a little bit on my chin and a tiny bit on my forehead, not much because you don't want to look like you're sunburnt. So now that I'm completely done with my foundation, concealer, blush, I'm going to follow it up with the Perfect Translucent Powder, which is basically a setting powder. So it's white, but it doesn't show up white. Just put it all over your face. Okay. Now we're going to do the eyeliner. I absolutely love our eyeliner. It is liquid. I was not a fan of liquid eyeliner until I started using ours. This goes on amazingly, and not only is it amazing, but it lasts all day long. I cannot stress to you how many girls I've seen at the end of the day and they have eyeliner on their eyelids. It's all smudged underneath. This does not do that. It's gonna last all day long. Now I am one to only put eyeliner on my top lids. I don't like putting it underneath. That's just my personal preference, but it is absolutely completely safe to put on the bottom lids as well. Now I'm going to put on my mascara. We sell one of these, as well as we only sell one of the eyeliners, because this stuff is absolutely amazing. It's perfect. You don't have those nasty, crunchy eyelashes once you put it on and let it dry. This keeps your eyelashes very thin. The brush that it comes with is very thick, and it keeps your eyelashes very spaced out. Okay, and that's all I do other than lipstick. Enduring lip colors are my absolutely favorite. They go on perfectly. I'm using Creme Brulee. It's a very pinky color, but it absolutely is beautiful. And it's gonna last all day long. And that's it. If y'all have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a message and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Y'all have a good day.